Want to use Google Veo 3, the most powerful AI video generator, completely free and unlimited? In this video, I will show you how exactly you can use Google Veo 3 for free. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be generating cinematic level videos like a pro 100% free.
In this video, we'll learn how to use unlimited Google Veo 3 for free. So like the video and subscribe to the channel before we start.
This entire video was created using the Google Veo 3 with just a simple prompt. Now, let's begin the process step by step. First of all, open your Chrome browser and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Hit enter and open the first website that appears in the search results. Now, you'll see an interface like this. Click on Sign In, then click Create Account. You can create the account using your Google login. Complete the sign up process and your account will be ready. After creating your account, you'll see this dashboard. Click on the Explore tab on the tab and search for Generative AI in the search bar. Now, click on the course that says Generative AI 45 minutes. You'll land on a new page. Now, click on Start Lab and check I'm not a robot. It may take 3 to 4 minutes to load. After that, this menu will appear. Right-click on Open Google Cloud Console and copy the link address. Now, open a new incognito tab, paste the link, and hit enter. Click I understand and check the agreement box when the pop-up appears. And you have signed in with your account. While staying in the same incognito window, open a new tab and search vids.google.com. Click Continue to Site and the site will open. Click on Start a New Video, then select Blank Video. You'll be taken to the main editor interface. On the right side, you'll see different menus. Click on Generate, and here you'll find access to both Veo 2 and Veo 3. Click on Veo 3, enter your prompt, and hit Create. It will take some time to generate the video. Remember, the quality depends on your prompt. You can use ChatGPT to help you write better prompts. You can even include a script in your prompt that the AI character will speak in the video. Once the video is ready, click on Insert to check the preview. Now, it's time to export your video. Click on the arrow next to the Share button and select Export to Drive. The video will begin exporting. Once done, click on Open Now and download your video. And that's it. Your AI-generated video using Google Veo 3 is ready for free.
If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our new videos.
You can make 20 video with one link, but sometime, after a few generations and also after 45 minutes, Veo 3 may stop creating videos. If that happens, simply close both incognito tabs, then go back to your main account, end the current lab, and start it again. After that, copy the new console link and repeat the process as before.